The landscape of sales is changing quickly. More and more businesses are moving their sales process online, and with good reason. Buyers are more comfortable purchasing online. Technology has advanced and bridged the gap between salespeople and their prospects. And the cost of customer acquisition is reduced by 40 to 90% compared to that of field sales teams. Hi, I'm Dane with HubSpot Academy. If you've ever considered moving your sales process online, you've likely asked yourself this question: is remote selling as effective as selling in person? In short, yes. In fact, remote selling can be even more effective than selling in person. But making the leap to remote sales requires serious shifts. Sales teams moving their sales process online need to change three things: their mindset, their systems, and their process. When it comes to the mindset, it's really about embracing remote sales and dispelling the misconceptions about remote sales teams. At HubSpot, we hear all the time that sales leaders are worried about the transition. Many sales leaders think that their reps won't be as productive, that they'll be unavailable, or that they'll be hitting the pub rather than doing work. In reality, reps are more productive without travel time. They're more available with things like live chat or instant messaging. And with tools like a good CRM system, you can have clear metrics showing how much work your reps are actually doing. Embracing the right mindset is all about recognizing what you were doing in the field can be done online. Probably the most important part about making the switch to remote sales is having the right tools in place. You don't want to approach a transition unprepared. The sales tools you use are going to be the backbone of your team's success. Roughly 82% of top salespeople cite sales tools as critical to their ability to close deals. Here's a quick list of some of the essential tools for remote selling. 1. A CRM like HubSpot. 2. A meeting scheduling tool like Calendly. 3. A video platform like Zoom or Vidyard. 4. An e-signature electronic document tool like DocuSign. 5. Reporting tools. And 6. An instant messaging tool like Slack or Flowdoc. The last shift you need to consider is related to your process. In remote sales, you have to prepare for significantly shorter sales cycles. Deals are more transactional. Reps are spending less time on travel and in-person relationship building and more time making phone calls, sending emails, and connecting over video to close deals and maintain relationships with prospects. With remote sales, you must focus on efficiency. It's easy for remote sales reps to get caught up with administrative tasks and spend very little time selling. Your priority will be to set up a process that enables reps to get through those tasks quickly and spend more time engaging customers and prospects. Let's recap. When it comes to moving your sales process online, you want to embrace the right mindset and dispel those misconceptions about remote sales teams. You want to ensure you have your team set up for success with the right sales tools, and you want to make sure that you optimize your sales process for efficiency. Transitioning to remote sales won't happen overnight, no matter how excited you are about the latest technologies, strategies, and statistics. There will be challenges, but it will be worth it. For more strategies and tips like these, check out the online sales training lesson at HubSpot Academy. Till next time.